This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.
I bet you didn't know wings could be this irresistible. Today we're making crispy harissa wings with cheesy mashed potatoes. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss a pound of chicken wings with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder and onion powder. Spread those beauties on a baking sheet and bake for 25 minutes. While they bake, mix harissa paste and honey for a spicy sweet glaze. After 25 minutes, toss the wings in the glaze and pop them back into the oven for another 10-15 minutes until they're crispy perfection. Next up, cilantro ranch dressing. Whisk, buttermilk, mayo, sour cream, cilantro, garlic, salt and pepper. Done. Now, for the double cheese mashed potatoes, boil russet potatoes until tender. Drain, then mash with buttermilk, cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. Season with salt and pepper. Serve your crispy harissa wings with the creamy cilantro ranch and cheesy mashed potatoes. It's a match made in heaven. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. The harissa paste adds a smoky heat, while the honey balances it with sweetness. The cilantro ranch dressing is the perfect cooling dip for these spicy wings. And the double cheese mashed potatoes. They're creamy, cheesy and oh so delicious. This meal is sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy! Curious about becoming a kitchen wizard? You're in the right spot. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. We're your go-to spot for mouth-watering recipes that'll make your taste buds dance. From quick snacks to gourmet dinners, we've got it all. New to cooking? No worries. Our step-by-step tutorials are perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Ready to level up your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. Like what you see? Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now and take care.